Lightning round. Modernize call buttons and save a boatload of cash. Let's put 60 seconds on the clock and now. Call buttons are horrendous. Cheap shot? Let's back it up. They are horrifically expensive. They get damaged, their batteries die, they go offline. You have no idea who actually needs help. It's just rando in aisle 63 is frustrated. Actually, we should start calling them frustration buttons instead of call buttons. There's no data. The pages and headset calls are like car alarms going off in parkades. Your customer has no line of sight if they're getting anybody to get any help for them, and the staff have no idea who they're supposed to help. Digitize it. Cheaper, faster, and it actually gives you data. And if this is about maintaining costs, you know what's cheaper than a plastic button made in China? A decal that you print and you can put wherever you want in your store for help in that exact area right now. Let's set this up. Name the area, link that area to Teams, software then auto-generates your QR code and print your signage. You're done. For the customer, I need help, scan, Microsoft Teams notification, claim, auto updates to the customer. Even add chat to the portal or text to Teams. Download Teams. Download My Store by SYNQ in the appsource.microsoft.com. Let's stop wasting labor and let's stop losing our customers to online purchases when they're standing there and no one's there to help. I'm Nolan with SYNQ.